Well, this is Arches Provincial Park. There's two of the arches there, another one off to the side there. You might see we're going to walk down, take an up close and personal look at the arches here. Okay. Well, these are the arches here. I'm going to try to walk up a little closer, although it's going to be treacherous walking here. Treacherous walking here. Could be, any step could be a fall here. But let the folks take their photos first before we walk up here. There's the water there. Arches Provincial Park here in Newfoundland. Yeah. Okay, everybody got their shots there? Okay, I'm on a sea of rocks here. Sea of rocks. It's a little hard to be putting them up, picking them up and putting them down here. But I'm trying to be very careful. Let's see how I can do here. As I'm walking and talking and videoing. Well, that's asking for trouble here, that's for sure. Let's see here. Oh, it's getting a little better here. Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see here. Oh, rocks are getting smaller, a little bit easier to talk. Okay. Went past the danger zone here. Now we're in one of the arches. Very smelly. Got all this stuff that washed up here. All the seaweed. I guess the water washed this out a long time ago. So, yeah, they are arches, but they're more like worn away rocks. But, yeah, there's the ocean. Smell of the ocean there. And, yeah, it goes on down here, as far as you can see down there. Comes back up, goes on down there too if you want. Come back. And this is the area where I walked. Came down those steps up there, and yeah, all right here. Now all these rocks are very well weathered here because you can pick them up and see they're ultra smooth on the outside. They're not, you know, very smooth. These have been tumbled and rolled and who knows where they've been, and they wound up here. Could have been roaming around the ocean for thousands of years. And now they're here. I'm going to drop it here. You can hear the sound that it makes. So you know there's a lot of rocks underneath it here then. So, alright, let's move on here. Well, we're going to come over here and take a closer look at this rock here. Let's do an up close and personal here. Very sharp little pieces can be falling off here. There's different things. So I don't know what type of rock this would be. But some moss, some vegetation growing on it where I guess a little dirt comes in. But yeah, all little teeny tiny pieces, almost like cement or concrete or something, like an amalgamate maybe. I don't know if that's the right word. But very craggly rock here. Very craggly. We can look at it really close here. All you people that are rock people out there might be interested in this and can, you know, say more about it here. But yeah, if somebody's piled up some rocks up there, made a little statement, and we got them up here too. Yeah, all right, let's move on here down the water. And here's a big chunk right here that when I walked down from up there, came down here, stopped along the edge of that rock, walked over here, and there's more. All your seaweed here coming up here. We'll come down, take a close look at this here. This is what this is, all seaweed stuff in here. I don't know what this is, maybe something that locally that grows in the water around here. Some of it's different color, like it's dried out here maybe. I don't know. And here's a big piece here. And yeah, I don't know about that. And this looks like a piece of kelp. Maybe a kelp leaf or something here. I've eaten kelp. It's not too bad. I've eaten it right out of the water. Here's another piece that might be a kelp here. And more stuff here. Yeah, wide variety. There's some green right over there. So I'm not going to walk over there to see it though. So let me get back up here. And there's the water, the ocean. Nice and pleasant this afternoon. maybe mid-70s or so. No wind here. Not blowing like a banshee like some of those other places. So very nice, very nice. Okay, we're leaving the rocks. Gotta come back up, watch my step here. Gotta go up the old boardwalk here. Let's climb this bad boy up here on the steps. Climbing up here. Okay, so got more steps to do here. Alright, coming back up. Almost up to the parking lot here. A little bit more to go. Yeah, I'm one-man travel here in Labrador, Newfoundland. I think that's one province, but we're in the Newfoundland portion now here for sure. Tripping hazard here. Coming up steps. Well, I think you've seen enough steps here, maybe. Well, maybe not. I'll give you a couple more. Get to the very top here. Okay, there it is. There's our bus over there. All right. Well, here's the Arches Provincial Park. And you can stop the video. I'm going to try to take a photo of it.